Let's see why you are currently excited. The surge in Bitcoin prices and heightened institutional buying activity indeed marks a significant moment for the crypto market. Bitcoin's status as a mainstream asset is gaining further traction with increasing institutional participation, and the concentration of buying pressure during American trading hours underscores the substantial influence of the US market on Bitcoin's price movements. But without all that being said, one question still seems to be hanging in the air. Where does Cardano stand in this increasing pump? There have been many price predictions about Cardano, however things always are quick to fall apart. Cardano has missed many chances to carve its mark in the crypto market. Sometime last year, Cardano ADA was on a significant uptrend as one of the best performing crypto assets for the day. This was when its valuation surpassed 31 cents, representing the highest level since the end of July of 2023. As a result, some analysts believe that the asset could chart additional gains soon, with ex-user John Morgan being one of them. They shared research that estimated that ADA might spike by over 40% based on rapid surge of transaction volume involving the coin. Others were not so modest in their forecast. For example, ex-user Lucid envisioned that ADA could explode to the astonishing $30 in the future. The analysts predicted that the global inflation could act as a catalyst for the cryptocurrency market and push its capitalization to $10 trillion within the decade. In addition, Lucid claims that Cardano has the most active development company of all of the projects at that moment. A tweet read, "ADA is going to $30. Bitcoin proved to the whole world that $1 trillion market cap is attainable. Even Ethereum, with all its issues that it has, hit $500 billion. With inflation, the crypto market as a whole would be worth $10 trillion within a decade. Cardano is going for the 100x. It is worth noting that the envisioned market cap was over 3 times higher than the peak observed in 2021, when Bitcoin was trading at almost $70,000. But why did ADA spike in this period? The asset's positive momentum might be stimulated by several factors, such as the overall bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency sector that was on the rise. Another element that probably contributed to the surge could be the addition of the Cardano wallet, Nami, into the input-output global ecosystem. Then, Charles Hoskinson tweeted, "Lots of amazing people are building and bringing new users, capabilities, and experiences into the ecosystem. IOG is a builder. We aren't different from any dApp company in Cardano. We have products and services and are here to bring millions into the ecosystem. However, there have been many chances or leverage Cardano has missed. Taking a proper observation of the performance of Cardano ADA in a previous year, we were defining moments when it could have spiked. Several reports rolled out, but Cardano did not sustain any substantial move. There was a time when there was a significant uptick in large transactions on the Cardano network as the volume surged from approximately $70 billion to an impressive $180 billion ADA. This remarkable $100 billion ADA spike sparked curiosity about the reasons behind this sudden whale activity. One of the primary driving forces behind the surge could be the fundamental growth of the Cardano network. Since the beginning of 2023, Cardano made significant strides in enhancing its platform, fostering an environment conducive for the acceleration of large-scale transactions. Upgrades like the Alonzo hard fork, which introduced smart contract capability to the network, may have also driven the adoption of Cardano among large-scale investors, influencing, once again, a spike in transactions. In addition, Cardano's growing ecosystem, characterized by a flurry of new releases and project launches, might have contributed to the bullish move. New dApps, NFT platforms, and DeFi projects being built on Cardano's blockchain presented an opportunity for large investors. They might have been accumulating ADA in anticipation of using or supporting these new projects, which explained the sudden increase in high-volume transactions. Moreover, the spike could have also been an indication of whales believing in the long-term potential of Cardano. Amid the network upgrades and the expansion of the Cardano ecosystem, large investors might be positioning themselves for future growth, banking on Cardano's scientific philosophy and secure blockchain. Nonetheless, this season was not sustained. Also, around December of 2023, Cardano ADA experienced a remarkable surge in large transactions, exceeding $1.5 billion. The substantial increase in these transactions, typically valued at least $100,000 each, drove the aggregate volume from $17.96 billion to an impressive $19.47 billion. The surge in transaction whales, a term often used for major players in financial markets, was closely tied to the outstanding performance of the ADA coin price. Notably, Cardano's sentiment resembled euphoria, and the token was basking in its best December stretch in the last 7 years. Since the start of that month, ADA exhibited remarkable growth, exceeding 63%. Remarkably, while the broader market was grappling with the losses ahead of the US Federal Reserve rate decision, ADA remained exceptionally bullish, trading at a notable 6% above its opening price of 61 cents per token. The surge in whale transactions and ADA's robust price performance underlined growing confidence and interest among large-scale investors in Cardano. This influx of high-value transactions showed a strong belief in the token's potential and the blockchain's capabilities. As Cardano continues to stand out on the volatile crypto market, the $1.5 billion whale transaction surge serves as a testament to the growing prominence of ADA. At the time, investors and enthusiasts were closely watching as Cardano's momentum showed no signs of waning, making it a focal point in the crypto space amid market uncertainties. But the ADA coin price did not shine green. Even if it did, it was just for a while. Can't you see it? Cardano has the whale power, but it has just not been using it to its advantage. In December as well, the market whales were all out for Cardano, and it was no surprise considering the massive developmental efforts being put into the protocol. Unlike Bitcoin and other altcoins profiled in the top 10 largest coins by market cap, ADA was the second cheapest token after Dogecoin, underscoring its attractiveness as a viable investment option. According to ITV data, Cardano whale transactions also witnessed a conservative uptick. Large transactions accounting for those valued at $100,000 were 10,070 as of December 11th. The Cardano whale action has always shown how much influence Cardano has in the broader Web 3.0 ecosystem. This particular positive uptick in transaction count came at a time when the digital currency was on a resurgence, with the price jumping 1.22% to 63 cents. The expectation is that whale transactions can continually enhance sentiment on the market and help ADA on its resilient journey across the board. For now, it is still a journey, nothing significant yet. Well, things might be set to change. Recently, crypto analyst Dan Gambardello has spotted a mega move in Bitcoin's price. In a recent video, he analyzed the recent Bitcoin rally, explaining its importance to the current market situation. He also identified a critical development in Cardano's price, projecting how the altcoin would unfold in the short term. According to Gambardello, the recent Bitcoin price behavior is a move that unfolded over a long period. He explained that the flagship crypto had surged into a long-term resistance area, a break above which would signify an established bull run. The analyst used the Fibonacci retracement indicator on the price chart to show that Bitcoin has entered the bull market doors region. Gambardello further explained that Bitcoin's current move is a retest of the notable area after being rejected about a month ago. Therefore, the current move is backed by significant momentum, making it stronger and more meaningful to the top crypto price development. Apart from retesting a significant Fibonacci retracement resistance, the analyst showed that Bitcoin broke through an inverse head and shoulders pattern in a bullish movement. You know that Bitcoin's behavior in the following days would be critical and tells much about the next bull cycle and perhaps Cardano's fate. In terms of Cardano, Gambardello showed that it is consolidated on the weekly chart, using historical data to explain that consolidation in the altcoin market during a Bitcoin rally is normal. So he noted that both Bitcoin and Cardano's notable price behaviors are happening earlier than they did in the previous bull cycles. Gambardello explained that such moves usually occur after the Bitcoin halving event, but this time they are unfolding almost 2 months earlier. According to him, Cardano's current consolidation mimics its move before the previous bull cycle, and can be replicated if his analysis holds. This time, Cardano could sustain a big move. The most recent Bitcoin spike has propelled the altcoin market towards a bullish pennant breakout, and this hints at more gains soon. Notably, Polygon emerged as one of the top performers, enjoying a nearly 7% increase. Ripple's XRP, while less spectacular, still managed a commendable 2% rise, reflecting a green trend across the board. Amidst this bullish climate, Cardano ADA has also caught the eye of investors, with its price climbing over 4% amid a 37% surge in daily trading volume. This growth aligns with the increased inflow into digital assets as reported by CoinShares, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as ADA, leading the charge. There are moments in Cardano that we can never recover from, but with Bitcoin's most recent mega move, the tide might just be set for a change. Hopefully. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.